Okay, so we're looking at a polynomial function. Okay. And we're going to find the value of that polynomial function at a given x value. So what we mean by that is, what is p of -2? Wherever we're going to use synthetic division. So the -2 goes here. We're going to put 4 here. -5, 2, -1. And the process is such: 4, -5, 2, and -1 are your coefficients of your polynomial. So you line it up this way. You're going to bring down the first number, 4. You're going to multiply. -2 times 4 gives you -8, and we're going to put -8, the result, here. And you can always add down. So this is -13. And we go -2 times -13. And the result goes here. This one is 26. Okay, then we add down, which is 28. 2 plus 26 is 28. And we multiply, gives you 56 negative. And we add down, gives you -57. So this here is equal to -57. Now you can use synthetic division.